Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple logo using Canva or even ChatGPT. Alright, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight into this video. Cheers. So we'll launch Canva. So we go to create, click on create at the bottom left. So remember, the easiest way for you to design a flyer is to use templates, or the easiest way to design anything on Canva is to use templates. So we click on search, then input logo. Then we'll click on search. So one of the easiest style of logo is to use your initials, just as you're seeing here. For fashion brand, you could also use something like this. Okay. So let's do for this one. So let's say you are doing the name of your brand. So you could just simply use one of these samples. So let's say you are doing royal properties. Okay, so you change this to R. You highlight, double click and delete, then write R. Then call this P. Okay. Then let's see. Arrow P. Okay, then you could, for the name, you edit the name. You can also change the font by clicking on it. Then you click on font. Then you choose one. So let's assume you want to use the C font. Then you could adjust this. You click, drag, and you expand. So you could export this logo. So let's download this one. So that's why I said use template is always easier. Next one, let's go back. Then you could also scroll down. So let me even input fashion logo. So this is one easy way for you to choose a logo. We're still using the search tool, fashion logo. Okay, good. So see this one, let's select the first one. You could also go for this Larana. This is very beautiful actually. So you can even use purple. So let's change this color to purple. So you click on the background, then click on color. You search for purple. This is blue. Where can we find purple? This is purple. Okay, this is purple. Then that's all. Then you give it any name. Maybe you could call it, give it a strong name, The Room. You know, something inspiring. Then you could change the scenes to fashion. The Room Fashion Store. Beautiful. What's the name? You could confirm the name by click on font. The name is PT Sam. Let's see the under one. What's the name too? Ovo. You could also unite them if you want, or use two different fonts. Then you export. So the color here is purple and yellow. Then you download. So this is a simple way for you to design a logo. Next, this is the last one. We're going to use ChatGPT. So you go to ChatGPT. Then you're going to make sure you've logged in. You could use the web or the app. I'm using the app currently. Then you give it an instruction. Design design a logo for a real estate company called Royal Properties. Then you send. Simple. Then it's going to create. Wow. So this is another amazing one. This is another amazing one. So you could download this or save it. Click on save. So in some cases, you might want to consider screenshotting it just in case. So you could screenshot. Okay. When you screenshot, you go to, preferably, you can use InShot or CapCut to edit it. Just crop or use your normal phone editor. Okay. So let's go to our gallery. I'm going to show you the work we've done already. So this is the first one we did. This is the second one. This is the one we downloaded from ChatGPT. This is the screenshot. So you could just edit. So let's say you click on this edit button at the bottom right. Then you click on crop. So I'm just showing you all the ways you could save this particular one from ChatGPT. So just in case the file format in which ChatGPT saved it as is not eligible, maybe Facebook app is not accepting it, or you can't find it, or you can't use it to upload it across your socials. So you could crop, edit this way, and click on done, or you edit with CapCut or with InShot. And then you crop it and save as JPG or as PNG. All right, so that is all for this video. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Cheers.